Hey everyone, it's Cincy aka Mr. Good Vibes, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are diving into some exciting concepts I have learned from trading the no-nonsense way. We are kicking off this series with my first trade setup, which I have coined GDFX1. Like I mentioned in my last video, I will be demonstrating how I use technical indicators to optimize my trading. Don't worry, I will also cover how I set up my risk management and how all these concepts connect and affect my trading psychology in upcoming videos. To trade like me, however, you will need to set up a TradingView account, allowing you to plot and analyze multiple indicators simultaneously. I believe you need the premium plan to do so, as the free version limits the number of indicators you can use on your chart at once. But before we dive in, let's quickly define the trend or technical indicators. As per the internet definition, they are simply mathematical calculations applied to price and volume data, producing squiggly lines found above, below, and on top of the price information on the chart, just like you see on the screen. There are other ways to look for trade setups in the forex market, such as the price action, support and resistance, to determine your position bias. However, using trade indicators is the preferred method in the no-nonsense way, as this helps determine and analyze the strength and direction of the underlying price action. Using one indicator to determine if you want to open a buy or sell position is one of the fastest ways to get burned in the market. Utilizing multiple indicators with moving average baselines and volume to determine the market direction is a much better way to increase your odds of having a winning trade. Don't worry, I will show you how I set up my system. There are different kinds of trend indicators in the financial market. Number one, the zero line cross indicators. These indicators signal a buy position if the signal line crosses above the zero line, and the sell position if it crosses below the zero line. Examples include the famous MACD. Number two, two-line cross indicators. These indicators compare two lines, typically a fast and a slow line. A bullish signal is indicated if one line is greater than the other, and a bearish signal is the case if the reverse is true. Examples also include stochastics and the famous MACD once again. Chart indicators, however, these go directly on the charts. Examples include the Ichimoku cloud, Bollinger Bands, or moving averages. They typically compare the price to a critical point on the indicator to determine the trend. For example, if the price is above the Ichimoku cloud, it is considered bullish. Combining 3 to 4 of these indicator types and only taking trades when they all align is a surefire way to improve your winning percentage. Now, let's go to my chart and I will demonstrate the system I use. My system utilizes a chart indicator, a baseline or moving average, one zero line cross indicator, two two-line cross indicators, and a volume indicator. In this video, I will review the chart indicator and the baseline or the moving average indicator. The names of my zero line cross and two line cross indicators will be disclosed in future videos. I utilize 5 different setups. Number 1, GDFX1. This is defined by confirmation from my primary indicator, the SSL hybrid, confirmed by 3 other secondary indicators on the daily chart along with volume confirmation. Number 2, GDFX2. This is defined by confirmation from the SSL hybrid on the daily chart, confirmed by the ASGMA indicator on the weekly chart. Number 3, the GDFX3. This is similar to GDFX1 but focuses on pullback opportunities. Number 4, the GDFX4. This is defined by the confirmation from the SSL hybrid and 2 other secondary indicators on the daily charts. Consider the Ichimoku cloud level relative to price before taking this trade. Only take buy positions if the price is above the Ichimoku cloud and sell positions if it is below. Number 5, the GDFX5. This is my most prioritized setup. This is defined by combining confirmation of GDFX1 and GDFX2 for the ultimate combo. Now let's dive into how I typically use the GDFX1 setup. For this setup, I need confirmation from the SSL hybrid on the daily charts. and 3 other combination indicators are agreeing on the same price direction along with the volume confirmation. The SSL hybrid is a chart indicator I love for its simplicity. It shows buy and sell signals using arrows on the chart. If I get a green arrow, it's a buy signal, and a red arrow is a sell signal. This is my primary confirmation. If I don't get a confirmation from my SSL hybrid, I don't bother looking further at any pair or play. Once I get my primary confirmation, I look at my baseline using the ASGMA moving average. If the price is above the baseline, it is a bullish signal. If it is below, it is a bearish signal. I also take into account the color of the ASGMA moving average. A green line indicates a buy position and vice versa. Don't worry, I will demonstrate how I set up this with my preferred parameters. Next, I check my 0 line cross indicator and my 2 line cross indicators. We need confirmation from all 3 indicators along with the volume indicator. The volume indicator I use is the ADX and DI. I will demonstrate how to set this up as well. Once I see a confluence between all these technical indicators, I pull the trigger as my trading probability has increased. Think of it like multiple people agreeing on one thing in a community. The probability of success is higher due to the agreement. I hope this makes sense. If not, don't worry. I will drop my demonstration video of the GDFX1 setup, revealing all my technical indicators and the parameters I use for optimal results. Thanks for watching. This page is all about God, good vibes, and good trades only. I am CNC, aka Mr. Good Vibes, and let's make some small money together. Don't forget to check out my new song, Testify, on all streaming platforms. Show some love and support. God bless you, and goodbye for now.